Hi, my name is Jose Asensio. With this short presentation, I'm going to talk about fUML, what is the relationship with UML, and what is their level conformance. I did this presentation because I'm very interested related with the future of modeling, and secondly, to help people in order to realize the first steps to understand this fUML specification. This is the agenda. There are four topics that I going to talk. The first is what is fUML, the relationship between fUML and UML, what is the scope of fUML, and finally, what is the fUML conformance. The conformance of this presentation uh, is based on a specification from ONG that the name is fUML. You can download and the link that is in this slide. What is fUML? fUML is a specification based on UML2 superstructure that consider a subset of model element based on the superstructure UML2, and its goal is to define a basic virtual machine for UML, enabling complex models to be transformed into various executable forms for verification, integration, and deployment. The key for this definition is a compiler. No, it's not a compiler, but I like to connect this definition with this word, compiler. This slide is very important because it shows the relationship between UML and fUML using an historical perspective. At the beginning, Rumbaugh, Jacobson, and Reddy Bush, they wrote and designed the original stable UML specification. They delivered to the ONG organization in 1987 the responsibility to review, update, make change, and release new version related with this standard. In 2005, ONG released the version 2.0 that had two documents, infrastructure document that explain the semantic of each UML modeling concept, and also it shows a definition of way in which UML tools can be made compliant with this specification. In contrast, superstructure document has the set of element model that is supported by the UML specification. In 2015, ONG released the version UML 2.5 and they changed the original name that it was called before superstructure. On the other hand, in 2011, ONG released the fUML specification. This specification means semantic of a foundational subset for executable models. Then they delivered in 2015 a new version that uh, was released in January. That the version is 1.2.1 version. fUML specification connect with superstructure UML specification in a way which select a subset of element model that support the infrastructure with the goal to define a virtual model machine, enable complex model to be transformed into various executable forms for verification, integration, and deployment. The scope of a fUML specification, it has three elements that covers this scope. The first one is a precise definition of the execution semantic of the subset from superstructure UML2. That means that the fUML specification is based on the superstructure UML2. Second, this subset applies from the most general type of system, including physical, distributed, and concurrent system with no assumption about global synchronization. And finally, many executable UML are conceivable based on executing use case, activity, workflow, meteor, or state machine and their combination. fUML conformer. A model a UML model is conformed if compliant with two aspects. The first aspect is syntactic conformance, and the second aspect is semantic conformance. A model is syntactically valid if there are complaints with the abstract syntax defined for fUML. The last is a model is semantically valid if there are complaints with the execution semantic defined for fUML. Now, fUML is based on UML superstructure. So UML has several levels of conformance. Which are these conformal levels? The first conformal level is level 0. Level 0 has three packages, and it uses operation merge in order to define this level. The next level is level 1. Level 1 it conformed by several packages. For example, there are packages that is called kernel, use case, communication, basic behavior, interface, etc. So the next conformance level is level 2. For this level, it's very important to say that this level 2 use an operation merge using the last conformance level. In this case is level 1, and it realizes others several operation merge with package, for example, ports, profile, artifact, node, etc. The next level of UML conformer is level 3. For this level, it needs to be compliant with the and realize an operation merge with level 2. And there are an others package that needs to complete this level. For example, there are packages such as model, collaboration, structure activity, extra structure activity, etc. Conformal level for fUML. As we have seen in the slide before, fUML has the same UML conformal level. This means that there are three conformal levels defined for fUML. We have level L1, L2, and L3. Each conformal level is formally defined by merge operation. A merge operation is a relationship between two packages when we have the source package then then we call as the receiving package, and we have a target package which define how the contents of one package are extended by the content of another package. For illustrate in a natural example, if we have a package which contains water and we have another package which contains sugar, and we combine them, the source package is going to become um, all their elements. They are going to become in a new element because they are following some rules. In this example, now we don't have just water. Now we have water with sugar. So there is an merge operation. Now, um, this merge operation considering the language unit in the corresponding level. A language unit is a collection of tightly coupling modeling concepts that provide user with the power to represent aspects of the system under study according to the particular paradigm of formalism. For example, the activity language unit provides for modeling behavior based on workflow paradigm. In contrast, the state machine language unit enables modeler to specify event-driven behavior using a variant of the well-known state chart formalism. Another conformal is there have not been defined a new namespace for fUML. This means that we are going to use the same name and the same semantic for the element model in fUML. And the latter, the syntax is provided by UML2 and the semantic is provided by fUML. Conformal level L1 for fUML. Um, we have seen in the slide that we have the package L1 from the UML superstructure. Now we can see uh, three packages which are selected. These packages are kernel, basic behavior, and communication. The package kernel mainly contains classes, association, dependents, uh, type primitive, and package. The basic behavior package mainly contains state machine, use case, interaction. And finally, the communication package mainly contains the infrastructure that the object requires for invocate a behavior. Now we can see two operation merge that are applied into the level L1 for fUML. The operation merge the for fUML syntax and the operation merge for fUML semantic. The package L1 that includes the syntax uh, realize three operation merge with the package kernel, basic behavior, and communication from the uh, level L1 from UML. And the operation merge for fUML semantic realize three operation merge with the same package kernel, basic behavior, communication, and also realize an operation merge with a new package that is called loci. This loci package includes the model of the key concepts of an execution, locus, and the executor that provide the abstract external interface of the execution model. Conformal level 2 for fUML refers to level conformal from UML superstructure. From the level 1 refers the package that is called basic action. And from the level 2 from UML superstructure refers the package intermediate action and intermediate activity. The package basic action and intermediate activity refers the action, which means the fundamental unit of execution in UML, and the intermediate activity mainly contain the element model such as control, workflow, decision, fork, joins, and summarize, concurrence, execution. And now with both level and with these three packages, there is going to be two operation merge with uh, um, fUML in the level 2 conformance. In this case, from the operation merge for fUML syntax, the, there are four operation merge which contain um, L1 level L1 that it was defined uh, or it was comfort for the level before, and the package intermediate action, basic action, and intermediate activity from the UML superstructure. From another side, we have operation merge for fUML semantic, and now we have the same operation merge with the same package, with the level before, in this case L1, and the operation merge with the package basic action, intermediate action, and intermediate activity. And also there is operation merge with the low side package L2. Conformal level L3 for fUML. This level L3 refers the UML superstructure level 3. In this case, um, it has been selected three packages. These packages are complete action, complete structure activity, and extra structure activity. The package complete action um, contains several elements related with action. For example, uh, the element model as known as asset call action. That means it's an asset event action representing the receipt of a single call request. Another element, for example, is an asset event action. It's an action that waits for the occurrence of an event meeting a specified condition, and among other elements that are into this package. The complete structure activity, this level adds support for data flow, output pin of sequence, conditional, and loops. For example, the concept of activity edge that is an abstract class for directed connection between two activity nodes, and for example, loop node that is an structured activity node that represents a loop with setup, test, and body section. And finally, the extra structured activity that um, is a package with support exception handling as found in traditional programming language and invocation of behavior on set of values. With this package, um, there are two operation merge. The operation merge for fUML syntax and the operation merge for UML syntax. The operation merge for fUML syntax, the source package is L3. This package um, is going to realize an operation merge with the L2 package and with the complete action, extra structure activity, and complete structure activity package. On the other hand, the operation merge from fUML semantic, it realizes the source package is the L3 package. Then it's going to realize operation merge with the package level 2, um, complete action, complete structured activity, and extra structured activity, and also an operation merge with the um, Losite L3 package. And that's it. So, this is all the presentation that I wanted to present it, and I hope you like it. And if you have any comments or questions, please you can uh, contact me. This is these are my information, and or you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.